bonga. The answer say Arafat. What do you mean by warada bonga? Warada barada bonga. He say it is just sing. No una begin dance. Una no begin worry una self una the answer question. Even una hear warada bonga barada bonga. Una know say I don't come for ya for throwing my own onomatope. Na big grandma dad na lewa. You go ask yourself say you want carry we go na lewa. No be palava lewa for you. Na just palava say now we are tori. Countryman and then countrywoman. Tori den day. Mo chakara tori for una. Mo na yera. So race for that side for Yaoundé no. That race no. Ige re. No. Scammer and never back for that race. That means say it connect with some Sarah for that side for Oyibo country. In that Sarah they connect. Now that Sarah tell you say so he go recognize a Pekin for Palaba book for that side for Panam. That me tell you say no wahala probably no day. Matter no day. Papa matter no day na fine thing. The man it just that me say this so he want came now for car organize marriage officially. He don't first send Bruna for that me don't take down Bruna. When I'm money way, the Mburu send for the reme na for Mburu for go buy a ring for marry no. If you want to marry my controlman, now the thing that. So reme don't take Mburu na. He don't mean a maranguru go te with him. He don't take Mburu. He don't put a voice in nyama the thing one time. In nyama say no it's here. In nyama no give me kale say wa me kale say. At the nyama Martin. He take a nine nyama no be that what man don't begin say one car for Cameroon. He say one car for Cameroon. That mean now what the reme do? The reme block it for phone. Block your number. It pass. Just block it because we don't take it on. So it means say if you look and find for your own, they don't happen. No. It means if you look and find, now so they do for social media. It use the Pekin and they take men them for Tuanchi. You enter the work, you say one can marry, you send him money for marriage, he take a continue to give you other thing for day. That one, na triangle. Na scamming for the first degree. As I talk for now, so now that one man, he don't complain. Okay, we get picture them, you don't start publish pictures for that Pekin and for the woman. Because you know they understand. If it say don't see ondolo lamu isenjengelewa. Ndolo lamu isenjengelewa. Obana ni kanolo eni. Hey, I dey sing my one how una look at the way go be for the way the thing go be. If I sing a fine, it dey. If I not sing a fine, una forgive me for wrong singing. So one man now and he cry. You donne mon argent. Il ne pris mon argent pour le mariage. Il a donné près de 1000 euros. 900 euros que j'ai envoyé pour commencer à préparer le mariage. I'm saying about something like 550,000. Send me home and start prepare the marriage. Me start prepare the marriage. Buy some necessary things them. All I want them. They may don't chop me with the muru. And they block you one time. I don't want to hear you don't call me again. You know, I don't want Jariba. Now so the team pass. Man, the loud so. I say when they never take over to Anshino, you don't know. When it's come and they knock you stick, that time you go understand, say, they didn't love the kind of love. So when I just forgive my love because they learn about now just say this. So if you want to do something, you must touch the thing. If you just believe that the thing they exist, the face come with them. Oh, come on. For that side for Yaoundé, all will remain. Tori day, will remain for Yaoundé. For Yaoundé, what happen? 2 ministers then. For that matter, that's small picking where they call it say Matisse. Where's Papa for some artists where they call it say Lidol, Dagobert, Mwafo, they take knife, chuki for neck, cut your hand, kwarai, and then find the small brother them, small sister them for kwara them too. 2 ministers them, they don't go for that house yesterday. Minister Marie-Thérèse Abena Ondua for the promotion of woman and family. He go there. He no go na E1. He go with his colleague for scientific research where they call it say Madeleine Chuente. They enter that quarter. They go inside for that quarter. take that road them, go with their delegation for go pay visit for this 6-year-old Pikin. We want for Dagobert Ikwaram for the 10th of May. Now about 13 days is today, we want for Dagobert on Kwarara Pikin. And as I talk for una so, since that day when they put hand for the rape when a rebel, na very delinquent rape, he never talk kick cock, he never open him up so, he not story for what happen, he never talk. Now only never they talk say, if we get problem with 1G for bad, the query, and then one begin make like say, begin small gum, then 1G don't show you say again gum passy, the team vexy, and then you tell 1G say, we'll see what I will do you, na so he can from town, he can take his own knife, and then go enter 1G house, for some make that kind of trouble, sugar picking, a quarry strips straight like a ruler. So these two ministers then, Madeleine 20 and Marie-Therese Abena Ondua, they don't go there, they don't talk for papa for that picking, they talk for mommy for that picking. Now so, before them, another minister for social affairs, Pauline Ngele, we don't go there. So it be very important. Now they kind of work them this way, want to say, minister, they begin to have, whether they go for field, anytime we wahala day, we trouble day, they did it for see what it really happen. Now they can't find work that where they support for the work. We come up for Yaoundé now, we go for outside, na question we una the answer. Tori day, we enter Douala, vrrrm, bam bam. Another aching news, another news where if it broke my back. The one happened. Now was a technical college for Douala. Owara Benge, amanga inen Owara Benge. Lera Bwamo, Obusi Bwam. Ne. The Pikin, it go school for the same technique for Kumasi, technical high school for Kumasi and for Douala for Bali. Now, they get small matter for school, we friend them. A friend the Safala ina say they want to show him Alamangulu Ngwete. That Pikin start run. He friend them for a back. He enter some class. Instead for semi-teacher protecting, call administration, call that Pikin they follow him for order. Teacher tell the Pikin say, I level bagare the all. Now so teacher tell you, una go fight for outside. He drive that Pikin for inside that class. As that Pikin come up for that class, Loic Dipoko, that a friend them, that a schoolmate the way they be defining for Nakam, so one takes or one plank, he Nakam for a hit. Now so he broke his neck for the Pikin, and then he touched all his nerves. Now so they carry go for Lankinkini, Warapita, what happen for that Pikin, Ikwara, and are the only Pikin for Imami. Madama Balongo, na the only Pikin that. The mommy talk say if that teacher no be drive the Pikin for that class, they know for Kwara Pikin, they know for Pai Pikin. And I know say not true. Because if the teacher be intervene, call administration, call security, that Pikin they know for knock that other one. How teacher fit talk say, una go fight for outside, una no can disturb me for here, una go fight for play, una fight. Terrible no country people. The one he pass safe, we mafia understand them. I don't look am, go up, calm down, twist them. So take a rich now and they understand. Another story. Oh, they so now for Owara Benge. Story day. The girl in name now Fleur de Lille. Now some girl where it be conspicuously, Senator, you don't talk grammar. Something I talk say conspicuously. Wonderful palaba. Now le what kind thing in that? That girl there very present. You open Facebook, you must see ye. Fleur de Lille. He don't make plenty video the way he attack his own friend for that side for Abe Baba and that means for Wyman country. When he talks say they for they useless, they know the being or not, they help their family when they back home. I say there's some problem with some other man for Cameroon, way to stay for that side for France. That papa for that picky way, now footballer for national team, for woman national team. Chenga. Say, they don't call the book now for Wednesday. Now so, gendarme them now, they take it, bang! Bang bang. For down belle for la chite for let's air. Now so they carry na, they go with for their cellule, for the sale, for the angata. You news or the end and I say ECDD. Or I would the end I say small time go come out, say the one movie, small time go do so, small time go do so. So as we talk now, anything happen, if you want to say it already come out back, if you want to say ECDD, if you want to say they don't send enough for court, so we follow the matter, we hear them, it is for ground. We hear all the way the pass, and then we can take una, and then we tell una the very faithful way. They a very faithful way. Now they walk that way, we do it for here. We know they for begin twisting them. We just tell now how the team be presented, and then we're on a correct for that place. Countryman, countrywoman. If you ask question, then you no got answer. That means say answer no be there for that question. But if you ask question, the answer come out, no say answer it be there for the question. Now so, now food for thought that when I don't drink small water for morning time, so I get that inspiration. Yes, inspiration the come. It enter my skin. It enter my skin. Inspiration enter my skin. So artists, they way they call it say caress foot so. That girl is saying bonjour ya chicha. Aga baka. He talk that na banjun talk. I don't know if I talk after na I know if I talk na amgaka. Caress foot so. He talk say that papa way kill that pikin. That small pikin for where they call it say Matisse for Yaoundé. He must go ngata. May they not begin waste time with ye. They cannot no fine. Why justice the waste time with the man where they catch you red-handed? Where the chook we don't chook picking kill him. Why did they turn with ye? The smoke was sending for ngata one time. It talks say measures again will be taken. It vex plenty. Them say caress for so don't vex. If you may have vex, I will take you for down below for la chite for la now that kind of vex way caress for so don't vex. It's a justice. You know if you just come off your house, you take knife, you chook some people, you kill them, and then the tonton will use say they don't get enough proof. They go up and down, they put you for hospital, you come out, they say me you talk, you don't want to talk, the tonton where all man know you, they catch you for day where they chook the pikin, they hold you with a knife, and then you behave, they say you know the hear no nothing, you know they understand anything when they tell you. He say Nangata, fine for that man one time, for Ngata, he go understand. If he need to understand when they send it for Ngata first, for waiting trial, he go understand. So now so caress also don't talk, he don't vex. He don't vex countrywoman. I no say na mami for pikin, no say it matter when mami for pikin no one he don't vex own vex, so you understand say no na any kind of thing. Mami for pikin them they used to vex their own vex. So you know say that's why I just talk caress photo don't vex. Una must do it to una must do for say me all that thing they come out so that me that man he pay for the crime. We don't commit them. You know correct say if you get turn for outside so the now. No man no. You cannot rape so if you make a so you attack the family again with that palaver knife. You know, say people they like that kind of knife thing, they feel so begin continue with that kind of attitude. So now the thing that we look up, we observe him, we see what justice, it will take a course. We enter now for Ndamba. Yes, we talk palaver Ndamba. Wait till the pass for Ndamba. Una no say fecafoot, it organize an extraordinary executive committee for the weekend. It start today, it finish tomorrow. So journalists them where they be want take part, where they want participate, they don't already send them book, and then they don't tell them say one day they don't register already. May they pass for the money time, so as I talk so may they go take their badge them for take part for the extraordinary General Assembly for fecafoot. Another matter where concern fecafoot and Ndamba Palaba M10 Elite 1 we go play for this Sunday, the 25th day of play. I think 3 matches they don't be play early matches. One, the match go take place now for Military Stadium for Yaoundé. Canon for 3 p.m. go play against AS Fortuna. And then for Military Stadium still for that side for Yaoundé for 5 p.m. Colombe Sportif for Ja and Lobo go play Young Sport Academy for Bamenda. And then for stadium for Banjul for 3:30, Panther Sportif Onde, he go play with Stade Renard for Melon. And then for stadium for Bonamusadi for Douala for 2 p.m. Dynamo go play with Union Sportive for Douala. And then also for Bonamusadi Stadium for 4 p.m. we get As for Douala, we go play with 4th Azure Elite for Yaoundé. So now the different matches in that for MTN Elite 1 for the 25th day of play. That means 25 day for play. Now so a day, my people. My people, another news day. D1, now some two company them. Medi and Marwan, where they accuse fecafoot. They say fecafoot owe them 987 million for flight ticket. Then when fecafoot don't take for make a semi woman team and man picking team them, they enter plane for go different places. They say they don't talk with fecafoot for long, and then they can discover say fecafoot don't breach the communication channel where they get out to them. So they don't send now letter for their bed. If they don't send some tron book, say they want to see me fecafoot pay them their money. Fecafoot will tell them say before the 20th of March, he go pay them 450 million. But so take a reach that date, fecafoot never pay. That's the reason that way they come to the outing will say me fecafoot give them their money. So he talks say another Congosa, they talk say apparently they don't already give that money for fecafoot. Minister don't give that money for fecafoot. Say fecafoot don't use them for other things. So take a reach now, never get reaction for fecafoot because now only after the reaction for fecafoot we'll go know the real truth. Because now one party don't talk, maybe all them they get for talk before we know the palaba how it pass. Countryman, countrywoman. Are happy for security because say una know the thing way una know. Anytime I come for here, I want go back. I refer nakam. If una see my back, una know say my belly it did for before.